Hi friends, today we are here with a new concept, a new technology about ATM protection system using IoT. So you would have heard definitely that some ATM was robbed, it was broken and all the cash were taken out by the people, by the robbers. So you see a lot of images are there like this on internet available today. So on this you can see that how the ATMs are damaged severely and all the cash is taken out from this one. So you see this policeman, he is checking that the fingerprint and all, but I don't think it will be available. So what they do, they break it, they burn it, they use gas welding and all, and they break and they take the whole cash unit itself. So once they are taking out, a huge money is lost for the public as well as for the bank. Now, what is the solution for this one? So because often we face this type of problem and every day you will be seeing this type of incidences happening in and around. And you know that many banks, they have already removed the people who are guarding them about the ATM guards. So now the situation has become much critical. So what we can do for this purpose? So in this you can see we have created a system of ATM security. It means we have created a microcontroller based system which will automatically guard the whole system. So we have a central microcontroller Atmega 328 PPU, that is the brain of our system, and we have a power supply unit, we have a gate mechanism, means automatically the gate will open and close. Also for that gate mechanism is there. So overall idea is when somebody attacks the gate, means they try to break the ATM, means automatically the shutter will be locked. Then second thing what will happen, one electric shock device will be activated. Electric shock device means if they are trying to break the ATM, means on the ATM there will be a huge current. So if they are getting in the contact of that ATM metal box, they will get the electric shock. So first mechanism is what, the gate will automatically shut. So it means the person cannot go out. First thing is that. Second layer of protection is the electric shock will be there. So if the person tries to touch the ATM box, automatically the person will get the electric shock. Third thing will happen is a nerve gas system. Nerve gas system means we will have a cylinder. That cylinder will be filled with some gas which will make the person unconscious for a few minutes. So police can reach and take the person with them. So this is the third layer of protection. Now there is an information system also. There IoT comes in the picture. IoT means Internet of Things. So now what is the idea? We have used one ESP8266 based IoT system. ESP8266 is like a microcontroller device that is connected with Wi-Fi. So that Wi-Fi is already available. Their internet connection is already available with all the ATMs. So that internet connection we have to connect with this one. So once the person tries to break the ATM, there is a vibration sensor that will activate. Means how the computer system or how the overall system will know that there is an attack on ATM. So for that we have a vibration sensor that will activate if any type of huge vibration is produced. Now this vibration is controllable. If you think that like some people will come to ATM and by mistake they got banged with the ATM, means all the system will activate. No, it's not like that. With a normal beating it will not activate. If you try to break it, heavy amount of force is generated, that time only the vibration sensor will activate. So that is first. Now once the sensor activates, automatically it will close the door, it will start the nerve gas, it will spray it, then automatically it will give the electric shock. So if the person is there, then also the shock will not be that heavy to kill the person. It will be giving and stop like that. It will not be continuous. So that is the thing. Then next layer is that automatically using IoT device, it will update to a website, the concerned police department website, and to the police, to the branch manager, and all the concerned authority will be knowing that there is some problem and the people will be acting as per the warning situation. Now how the practical thing works, that we are going in the next step. So this is the hardware unit. You can see that this is the LCD display and it shows system status safe. Now you can see this is the Arduino system and this is the brain of our complete system. So this microcontroller is Atmega 328 PPU microcontroller. and this is the vibration sensor. This only you are seeing the red color, no, because of this only it shows that now this is on, but this red color is not glowing, means there is no vibration produced. So you see that if I produce little bit of, if I'm giving a little bit of shock, you see that it glows little bit, it means it's catching the vibration. Now this one we have used the room freshener actually, and we have used it like a nerve gas. So you can use the cylinder of nerve gas from here, and you see this motor comes and presses this, and again it goes back and it offs, and this is the metal body, and this gets the electric shock. So this device is actually producing the heavy electric shock that you can see here, and this is the gate, this opens and closes. Now this is the motor driver, and this is the relay to on of the switches, and this is the IoT device which updates the information to the web page, and this is just a switch. So now how the system activates. So when the system activates, at first this door will open actually. So like this the gate opens, and after that if you see that if you produce little bit of vibration, it's not going to happen anything. Yes, like this it will activate, and first the gate will lock. Now the spray will be on, and this buzzer makes that buzzer sound represents that there is some problem is there. So once again we'll see, did you see that there is one spark that represents there is a heavy current to the metal body of the ATM. Once again we'll see again it activates. The spray activates and it will close it, and the whole system will be buzzing. It means that it's representing that there is some problem in that, so the people will come and help them. Now this gate, what is the first mechanism? The gate closes, that nerve gas starts, and the current sparks, and it reports to the concerned authorities. Then this is the online website where we have to check that all the reports. We told that all the information will be updated on the website, and there all the reports will be coming, like ATM was attacked, warning, what all the things are going on, at what time that ATM got started, and what time this type of warning attack was done on the ATM. So for that, this is the location. So what we have to do, we have to put the username and password. Only the concerned person will be having the concerned username and password, so they will be able to see all the reports. So once we did login, we can see that there is a complete log. So like at what time, when the ATM started, that time that will be noted. So on 16th June 2020 at 8:02 p.m. that ATM was started. It means it's continuously running, like that the updates are coming here. Now you can go to second page, or you can go to third page. Now you see, just now when the ATM was attacked, that time the time was 22:06. It means 8 o'clock and 6 minutes. Now when the ATM starts, this type of a generated on the IoT page. Suppose it is any type of attack is there, sensor is activated, that time this type of information will be updated. Now suppose the police want to know which place, so simply it's written actually, but at IG Square ATM, because we are from Pondicherry, so IG Square means everybody will know, okay, IG Square, that place. In case somebody want to know the exact location of the ATM, because in IG Square also many ATMs are available, so which ATM is exactly attacked, so that Google Map location is there, we have to simply right click and open it. Then you will be able to see the current location of the ATM. So directly they can go to click on, they can send to multiple police departments phones of the or they can simply click the direction, so they will be straight away going to the place. So that is the idea. So online all the updates will be coming, and ATM will be safe, and till the police is reaching, the attackers will not be able to get out of the ATM, and money of the people will be saved. So that is the idea.